Fix an out-of-paper error on the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3000 and 4000 printer series under Windows. Occasionally, some HP LaserJet Pro printers can experience an out-of-paper error, even when there is paper loaded in the tray. The solution for this error is to update the printer to the latest firmware version. On the Printer Control panel, select Menu. Select Tools. Select Maintenance. Select Firmware and then select Check. If a firmware update is available, follow the instructions on the screen to update the firmware. If no update is available, then your printer firmware is up to date. Select OK. If you have updated the printer firmware, or if your printer firmware was already up to date, and you are still experiencing the same out-of-paper error, click the links in the description to view our related content on the issue.